Okay, so we're gonna do the oil change and a service on a Poulan 24-inch snowblower. To get access to the oil change, basically just pull a cotter pin right here out of the axle, pull the tire on. You just drop the tire, pull the tire off. It's very simple. And then the oil valve is right there underneath, behind where the wheel would have been. And from there, you can just kind of put a funnel in there and let the oil drain. Again, on a Poulan snowblower, we're going to check the spark plug. Basically, it is in this housing here in the motor. You have to take off a series of bolts. As you can see, I've removed and one on the front, right down here. I got one more left to take off. That's a number 10 millimeter socket. Okay, and the spark plug is located right behind here. Pop the boot off, and you can put your socket in there. Remove that, inspect it, and see if it needs to be any changed or cleaned.